what's up guys? Thanks so much for checking out that video. FPV has honestly been one of the coolest hobbies that I've picked up over the past couple years, so I wanted to do a giveaway at the end of this video to give one of you guys a chance to learn it for yourself. And just as a thank you for the constant support, I could not do any of this without you guys. So I'll be giving away a spot in my FPV course which teaches you everything you need to know to get into it, as well as a beginner drone kit from my friends over at Beagle Drones. Beagle makes these awesome ready to fly beginner drone kits, so between that and my FPV course, you should have everything you need to get in the air. Rules to enter are pretty simple. Number one, share this video. Instagram stories, Facebook, put it on a thumb drive and mail it to some random address. However you want to share it, just share this video. Number two, leave a comment down below. Number three, just be subscribed. And last but not least, just follow Beagle Drones on Instagram. So good luck to everyone. I'll be picking a winner in 2 weeks. Thank you again for all the constant support, and I will see you on the next video.